What's up, mini gang? Welcome back to Baby Cake's Mini Life. We're gonna open another fill the fridge ball, a mini ball. This is the last fill the fridge ball until we get some more. So I'm excited to see if we get something new. I hope we do. So let's get into it, y'all. Let's go. Go. What's this? Okay, we got a new Japanese drink. That's the new one, Buka. Okay, start off good. Yes. Okay, we got juice. We got juice, which is a duplicate, but that's fine. That's cool. That's cool. What's this? Other roasted turkey. That's a duplicate, but that's cool. Broccoli, of course. We got broccoli. Got 1,000 of those. What's this? Oh, we got some mayo. This is new. Good mayo. Mayo. Okay, we got fruit tray. Of course, we got that already. And we got the ice cream magnet, which is a duplicate. We put it on our duplicate.